Everyone! In today's maths lesson, we're going to be revising addition and focus on counting on. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to warm up our brains by counting on. So I'm going to give you a number and then I want you to count on to 100 from that number. Okay, so once I give you the number, you can press pause and count. And once you finish counting, press play again and I'll give you your next number. First number is 75. Count to 100. Press pause. And once you're finished, press play again. Okay, next number, we are going to count from 52. Count to 152. Okay, next number, start at 81 and count on to 100. Very good counting. If you'd like more practice here, you can pause and you can choose any numbers and count on and back to 100, to and from 100. Okay, let's start with a question. What is 6 more than 9? I can see that word more than. What does that mean? Does it mean we're adding or we're taking away? That's right, we're adding because that word more is our clue. So 6 more than 9. So I have 9 and how many more am I adding? 6 more. Can you write that number sentence on your boards or piece of paper and press play and then we'll go through the answer together. 6 more than 9. So I have 9, so I start at 9 and I add 6 more. Remember when we're counting on, we don't say this number, we count straight on to the next number. So 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more, 6 more. And we can also show it on a 10 frame. So I had 9 that are red and I added 6 more that were blue. And I can see that there are 10 on this 10 frame because it's full and 5 on the top 10 frame because it's half full. So 6 more than 9 is 15. Have a close look at these 10 frames as well. What do you notice? I can see 9 that are red and 6 that are blue. But I put one of the blue ones over onto this 10 frame to make it full. So there's 10 and 5, which makes 15. Okay, now for a problem. First, Maxim saw 7 birds in a tree. Then he saw 5 more. Now there are how many birds altogether? Can you write the number sentence on a piece of paper and press play when you're ready and we'll go through it together. Okay, so how many birds did we start with in the tree? That's right, there were 7. And how many yellow birds flew in? 5 more. So my number sentence is 7 add 5 more is equal to, and we have to find the answer. So I start at which number? That's right, I start at 7, and how many more am I adding? 5 more. Because I'm counting on from 7, it's really important that I don't say 7. I have to count straight on to the next number, like this. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more. So altogether I have how many birds? 12. Have a good look at our 10 frames here. What do you notice? You can see that 7 are blue and 5 are yellow. But do you know what I did? I didn't put all 5 yellows on this 10 frame. I decided to fill this 10 frame first. And the reason I did that is because I find it easier to be able to make 10 and then count on, because I'm quite good with my numbers to 10. So what I did is I filled this 10 frame by adding 3 more yellow birds to this 10 frame, and then I left the other 2 on this 10 frame. And I can see straight away that there's 10 here because it's full, and I can see that there's 2 there. And I can quickly add 10 and 2 together. And that's easier for me than having 7 on this 10 frame and 5 on this 10 frame. I like to make 10 first and then add on. Okay, so here is a word problem. First, Aya saw 12 butterflies. Then Shayla saw 5 more. Now there are. You need to write down the number sentence, find out the answer. You can find the answer by counting on, or you can show it in a part-part whole model or a bar model. Once you've got the answer, press play and we'll go through it together. Okay, bit of a bar model now. First, there were how many butterflies? That's right, 12 butterflies. And then how many more did Shayla see? That's right, she saw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in this part. So my biggest part is 12, and I added 5 more. So what's the whole number? If I add 12 and 5 together, how many do I have all together? We can count on by ones. So I'm at 12. 1 more is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's check that. 12. Change the color of my pen. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So all together in my whole I have 17. 12 and 5 make 17. Okay, if you'd like some extra practice with these, you can write these number sentences down on a piece of paper and work the answer out. You can work it out by counting on. You can use a number track or a number line to help you, or you might even like to show it in a part-part whole model, on a 10 frame, or on a bar model. Great work, Year 1. We're really proud of the learning that you've been doing.